Have you ever wondered why some pothos plants grow wild and full, while yours just stops growing? Don't worry. Today I'll share the real secrets behind a perfect pothos. Easy and beginner-friendly. Pothos is one of the easiest houseplants to grow. It's perfect for beginners. It adapts to almost any environment in soil, in water, or even poor soil conditions. It's also a great choice for bathrooms because it loves humidity. It's super easy to propagate. Just cut a stem below a leaf node and place it in water. In a few weeks, you'll see new roots growing. Pothos is an amazing air purifier. It absorbs toxins and keeps your home fresh and healthy. If your plant gets too long, trim the vines to keep it full and bushy. Don't throw away the cuttings, use them to grow new plants. If you want wide and glossy leaves, give your plant more humidity. You can increase humidity by misting the leaves, placing a bowl of water nearby, or creating a simple humidity tray. Pothos loves balanced liquid fertilizer. Feed it every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season. A mild organic fertilizer or seaweed extract works perfectly. Sometimes, pothos may get spider mites or mealybugs. Wipe the leaves with a soft cloth and neem oil. Keep the leaves clean to prevent pests from coming back. Let the top layer of soil dry before watering again. Overwatering can cause root rot. Always use a pot with good drainage holes. Pothos loves bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight. It can burn the leaves. In low light, it still survives, but grows slower and paler. Which type of pothos do you have? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to know. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell so you never miss any new plant care tips. There are many beautiful types of pothos: golden pothos, marble queen, neon pothos, and jade pothos. I'm Abbas, a true plant lover. I hope your plants always stay green and full of life. Take care of yourself and your lovely plants.